Imagine waking up one morning and everything is gone. Not slowly, not over time, but in less than a second, the ozone layer vanishes. The oceans begin to boil. Civilization wiped out instantly. This isn't science fiction. It's a real threat lurking silently in deep space. This is the terrifying truth about gamma ray bursts. What is a gamma ray burst? Gamma ray bursts, or GRBs, are the most powerful explosions in the known universe. They're not just bright, they're catastrophically energetic. In just 10 seconds, a GRB can release more energy than our sun will emit in its entire lifetime. These deadly beams of radiation come from two main events: the death of a massive star collapsing into a black hole, or the violent collision of two neutron stars. A tightly focused jet of pure gamma radiation blasts through the universe at nearly the speed of light. And if Earth ever lies in its path, we wouldn't stand a chance. How deadly is a GRB? A direct hit from a gamma ray burst would be an extinction-level event. Within seconds, our ozone layer, our protective shield, would be stripped away. Without it, the sun's ultraviolet radiation would pour in unfiltered. Plants would die. Ocean plankton, the base of the food chain, would be annihilated. Mass extinctions would begin almost immediately. And worst of all, we'd never even see it coming. There would be no warning, no defense, just sudden, silent annihilation. Has it happened before? Strangely, we may already have seen the aftermath. Around 450 million years ago, during the Ordovician extinction, nearly 85% of marine species vanished. Some scientists believe a GRB might have been responsible. A blast from space could have stripped Earth's atmosphere, triggered a collapse in biodiversity, and rewritten the planet's evolutionary history. We may be living on a world shaped by one of these cosmic weapons. How close is too close? A GRB could destroy Earth if it occurred within just 6,000 light years. That's not far. There are hundreds of thousands of stars that close, and some of them are massive enough to die in exactly the way that causes a GRB. If one of them collapses and points directly at us, it's over. What are the chances? The good news? GRBs are rare. Most occur in far-off galaxies, places with lots of young, massive stars. The Milky Way is relatively quiet. Plus, GRBs shoot in narrow beams, so Earth would have to be directly in the path to be affected. Still, scientists estimate that Earth may get hit by a life-ending GRB once every few hundred million years. That's rare. But it's not impossible. Could we survive one? Could anything survive a GRB? Life deep in the oceans, shielded from radiation, might endure. Microbes, bacteria, and extremophiles, yes. Humanity? Not so much. Unless we had deep underground bunkers or off-world colonies, there would be little hope. A direct hit would end civilization as we know it. So why talk about something we can't stop? Because gamma ray bursts are reminders. Reminders that life is fragile. That our planet floats in a dangerous universe. That in the vast, dark silence of space, there are still things we barely understand. Somewhere, a star is collapsing. A jet of invisible death could already be heading our way. It may never reach us. Or it might arrive tomorrow. No sound, no warning, just light. Then, nothing. If this blew your mind, hit like and subscribe for more terrifying truths from the cosmos. Drop a comment. What would you do if a GRB was 10 seconds away? And remember, the universe doesn't care. But we can. Stay curious and stay alive.